this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we are here with Mask Monday. We have 2 masks out here today. Well, this is really close. I'm using my regular phone to film with. I think I dropped my other phone one too many times, so we're going to use my regular phone. I got my hand mask out. And I have a face mask out. This is a plumping collagen peach mask. It is a sheet mask. So we're gonna do this, and I believe I'm going to put the hand mask on too. This is very juicy. I did not get Michael out. Michael! And I shoulda. Shoulda. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. And this be very juicy. He may slide across my face. He just might do that. Looky. Definitely like a sheet mask. I think they're my favorite so far. I was going to pull out a paper mask, but I think those are the ones that I don't like too well. Definitely got itchy nose today. Oh my god, do I. I'm trying to stay back from the camera because it looks so close. Whoa, this is cold. Very cold. Very cold on my face. I keep my bed really cold. So this is really cold on my noodle, on my mug. Yes, indeed. So let me see what time it is. Okay. So this a little bit early because I don't know where I'm going to be Monday morning. I could be here. I could be with my mother. She has been recently moved to a rehab facility for physical therapy for 2 weeks. Oh, I don't like it around the mouth. Okay, we gotta free the mouth real quick here. Ugh. I don't want to do it to clean it, so grab a paper towel. Dry the, yuck. Gotta free the lips, free the mouth, free the mouth. I don't like my lips covered, my mouth, yuck. I don't like nothing over my mouth. So, this is to keep on, like 15 to 20 minutes, but I know I'm not going to make it that long at all. So again, this was the Plump Collagen Peach Mask, 90% natural sheet mask. Next, I'm going to do, dry my hands off, like open the gloves. No, that ain't gonna work. I gotta cut them open. My hands need, I should have taken my polish off. Shoot. This is really bothering my left eye. You must separate the gloves. Ooh. That was If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Mondays are always Mask Monday. Sometimes with a little bit of comedy. If I can get these open. Hopefully. Oh my goodness. There we go. Number 1 is done. Number 2. So let's size these on my puppies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, whatever. Don't like the way this is. So I'm going to massage these on my paws. I'm going to give the cuticles some attention and the skin around them. Leave it on for like 5 minutes, I think. I'm not going to keep you on the whole time with me. So with the hand mask, you want to massage them in your hands where you need the most attention, which is like my, all over, all over my hands. The cuticles, mostly the skin around them. My hands are very dry. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pause. And I will return in about 10 minutes. Let's see if I can do this with the... Alrighty, we are back. It is time to take the gloves and the face mask off. So we're going to take the hand masks off first. Oh, they feel so good and luxurious and very wet, and I'm going to rub these in first. They're very dewy and damp and very close to the camera. Very sorry about that. Move back up some. Move back up a whole lot. I didn't do any funny Ghost or Michael Myers things really good. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. Ooh. Ooh. I'm the driver. I got one dark arm and one not dark arm. Can you tell? Look at that. 2 totally different colors. My hands are still really juicy. Just trying to get off my face and my hands so much because I gotta take this off, and this is really, really juicy. Oh, look at that. Your eyebrows. Feel like a whole new girl. So here's our Mask Monday. Let's just observe for a hot quick second because I want to show you what is up for July's beauty giveaway. I got 3 masks. Of course, one is the honey mask. Let me grab these out of my paws. We have got the honey mask. The Pond's Pure Detox clay mineral mask. And by Freeman, Cosmic Steam Eye Mask. This is the one, or one of the ones, where it covers your eyes. You cannot see. So keep it in mind, it won't be one of the ones where you can be on camera and you'll be able to see us where you close your eyeballs. See the little picture here? See your picture, your eyeballs are closed. So I think that's pretty cool. I did a 2-pack of those in my box, so I'm going to split them up. So again, today I did, I'm bouncing around again. So let me go back here. This will be July's beauty giveaway. For July. It's not time to enter though, I just give me a sneak peek. But today we did the hand mask in the pure collagen peach, which I did really enjoy. I did really enjoy this. I really did. Both of them. My hands needed it. Really, really did. So, oh lordy, that was our video for today. Thank you for joining me. If you're new, you're new. You're old, you're old. But thank you for being here with me. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click all on the bell so you get notified of all videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.